Gentlemen, I'm about to reveal 5 nature-powered solutions that can help shrink your enlarged prostate, improve your urine flow, and finally let you sleep through the night without those frustrating bathroom trips. These aren't just old wives' tales. These remedies are backed by modern science and centuries of traditional use. And the best part? You can start seeing results in as little as a few weeks without risky medications or expensive procedures. Before we dive into the solutions, let's talk about why so many men suffer with prostate issues. As we age, that walnut-sized gland tends to grow, squeezing your urethra like a kinked garden hose. Suddenly you're dealing with weak urine streams, constant urges to go, and nights ruined by multiple bathroom trips. While doctors often push medications that can cause dizziness and sexual side effects or recommend invasive surgeries, there are gentler, more natural approaches that work with your body's own healing abilities. First remedy, saw palmetto. First and most researched natural prostate remedy is saw palmetto. This small palm tree berry has been used for centuries by Native Americans and is now recognized by modern science. A comprehensive study in the Journal of Urology found that men taking saw palmetto extract experienced significant improvements in urine flow and reduced nighttime urination. The magic happens because saw palmetto blocks the hormone DHT that causes prostate growth while reducing inflammation. For best results, look for a supplement containing 300 milliliters of standardized extract and take it daily with a meal containing healthy fats for better absorption. Many men report noticeable improvements within 4 to 6 weeks. To speed up your results, try this bonus prostate healing smoothie every morning. Blend 1 cup of coconut water, a handful of pumpkin seeds, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Coconut water hydrates without irritation, pumpkin seeds are packed with prostate-friendly zinc, and turmeric fights inflammation. Another quick tip: don't sit for long periods. Get up and walk for at least 10 minutes every few hours. It improves circulation to your pelvic area. And if you really want to supercharge your progress, try a gentle perineum massage for just 30 seconds a day. It can help relieve pressure and improve urine flow almost immediately. Number 2, stinging nettle root. Stinging nettle root is a well-known herbal remedy used to support urinary and prostate health, particularly in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland. While the leaves of the nettle plant are commonly used for allergies and joint pain, it's the root extract that shows the most promise for prostate-related issues. Nettle root contains compounds like lignans, phytosterols, and polysaccharides that are believed to exert anti-inflammatory and hormone-modulating effects. Unlike some pharmaceutical options, nettle root does not shrink the prostate but helps relieve symptoms such as frequent urination, nighttime urination, nocturia, reduced urine flow, and the sensation of incomplete bladder emptying. Research suggests that nettle root works by inhibiting the binding of dihydrotestosterone, DHT, to receptors in the prostate, which may help slow or prevent further enlargement. It may also interfere with enzymes like aromatase and 5-alpha reductase, both of which influence hormonal activity related to prostate growth. Many clinical trials have shown that nettle root, especially when combined with other herbs like saw palmetto, is effective in reducing urinary symptoms without significant side effects. The typical dosage for BPH is around 300 to 600 ml per day, of standardized extract often divided into 2 doses. For those seeking a natural and gentle approach to prostate health, stinging nettle root offers a well-tolerated, evidence-based option worth considering. Third remedy, pumpkin seed power. Now, let's talk about pumpkin seeds, nature's prostate superfood. These humble seeds are packed with zinc, magnesium, and plant compounds called phytosterols that help shrink enlarged prostate tissue. German researchers found that pumpkin seed extract can reduce prostate symptoms by over 40% when used consistently. You can either eat a handful of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds daily or take pumpkin seed oil capsules. For an extra boost, try this prostate-friendly snack. Mix pumpkin seeds with Brazil nuts, rich in selenium, and a drizzle of flaxseed oil. This combination provides all the key nutrients your prostate needs to stay healthy. Fourth remedy, healing. Herbal tea. The fourth remedy is a powerful herbal tea blend that works wonders for prostate health. Combine equal parts of stinging nettle leaf, pygeum bark, and rye pollen extract. Nettle root contains compounds that help relax the bladder, pygeum has been shown in studies to improve urine flow, and rye pollen reduces inflammation. Steep 1 tablespoon of this herbal mix in hot water for 10 minutes and drink it twice daily. Many European countries actually prescribe similar herbal formulas as first-line treatment for mild to moderate prostate enlargement because they're so effective yet gentle with no side effects. Number 5. Pygeum. Pygeum is an herbal extract derived from the bark of the African plum tree, Prunus africana, traditionally used for centuries in African medicine to treat urinary and bladder issues. In modern times, pygeum has become widely recognized for its ability to alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or enlarged prostate. The active compounds in pygeum, such as phytosterols like beta-sitosterol, triterpenes, and ferulic acid esters, have anti-inflammatory and anti-androgenic properties. These help reduce swelling in the prostate and improve urinary flow. Pygeum doesn't necessarily shrink the prostate gland itself, but it does improve quality of life by reducing symptoms like frequent urination, nighttime urination, nocturia, weak urine stream, and the urgent need to urinate. Clinical studies suggest that pygeum helps by enhancing bladder elasticity, increasing the strength of bladder contractions, and reducing the residual volume of urine left in the bladder after voiding. It also appears to slow the production of inflammatory molecules within the prostate. Several trials have shown that men taking pygeum experience a significant reduction in urinary symptoms and improved overall urinary function compared to placebo. The typical dosage is around 100-200 mg per day of a standardized extract, often taken in divided doses. Pygeum is generally well tolerated with few side effects, making it a safe and effective natural option for men looking to manage the discomforts of BPH without resorting to medication or surgery. To make these remedies work even better, there are simple lifestyle changes that can dramatically improve your results. First, stay hydrated but cut off liquids 2 hours before bedtime. Second, do pelvic floor exercises daily. Simple Kegels can strengthen the muscles that control urination. Third, eat more tomatoes and watermelon. Their lycopene content protects prostate cells. And most importantly, move regularly. Even a 30-minute daily walk can improve circulation to your pelvic area and help reduce prostate swelling. Now, there are 3 big mistakes that could be sabotaging your progress. First, drinking beer or coffee. They're bladder irritants and will make you pee even more. Second, sitting for hours without moving. It compresses your prostate and worsens symptoms. And third, ignoring early warning signs. The sooner you take action, the easier it is to reverse an enlarged prostate naturally. Don't wait until you're desperate. Start today. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps more men discover these natural solutions. And drop a comment below. Just type prostate if you're going to try saw palmetto. I read every single one. Oh, and next week I'm sharing a surprising 5-second trick to stop nighttime urination for good. So ring that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. And here's to your health.